using rescue tools to cut this car apart. Students in the firefighter program at Bluffton High School learned how to use auto extraction equipment. Representatives from TNT Rescue Equipment were showing the students how to use the jaws of life, spreaders, and other tools to dismantle this vehicle.
It's really heavy and it's hard to maintain going for even just a short time. And it's kind of hard to hold above you, especially when you're short, so it's kind of hard to get into the places that you need to cut.
The hands-on training is a great way for students to experience what it's like for firefighters when they need to remove a victim from an automobile accident.
It really gives you like an understanding and you get the skills and everything, and it's just just getting the knowledge and everything, so it better prepares you for the future.
I hope they learn how to use the tools and how to make the different type of cuts with the tools that's required to safely remove a victim from a trap that's trapped inside of a vehicle. The more they use the tool and they're familiar with it, the more confidence they will have when they actually do achieve their certification from this course and they go work on the actual fire department and they report or they go to their first call with an auto collision.
This demonstration and the skills the students learn today will also help them as they advance in the firefighter program and will soon be taking an auto extraction course. At Bluffton High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.